Hey everyone, so I am 13.2 weeks pregnant today, and I wanted to show you how I use my Sonoline B Fetal Doppler. I was able to hear the baby's heartbeat since I got this, which was about 10 weeks, and now that I'm entering my second trimester, like I said, I'm 13.2 weeks today, I am able to hear the baby's heartbeat a lot louder than at 10 weeks when it was so faint you couldn't even hear it on the video. So this is the box it came in, and they gave me a tube of ultrasound gel, but it's really small. I used all the ultrasound gel, so I put some aloe vera gel in this tube. So this is what I do. You don't need a lot. People say the more you put on, the better. But I usually put about that much aloe vera gel on it. Now keep in mind this screen here, it does read the heartbeat, but it's not very accurate. So I don't go by this, I just count. And that's just the gel moving around, so I'm going to turn it down. I can usually find the baby's heartbeat right away. The baby's really low still. I'm going to turn it up here. Now, you'll hear a lot of sounds when you do this. I believe one sound, and no, I'm not a medical professional, but one of the sounds is the umbilical cord. The other sound is the placenta. And then there are also arteries. So you can tell what the baby's heartbeat is. I'll actually just show you. I'm not sure what the artery, the placenta, and the umbilical cord, I can't really tell the difference. But this sound, I believe that is an artery. Now, I don't push down really hard. I kind of get paranoid I'm going to hurt the baby, even though I asked my doctor if I could use this, and he said yes, it's fine. So, you know, I do have to push down, but I don't do it very, very hard. Let me see if I can find the baby's heartbeat. There it is. Now the baby just moved, so hold on. That's the artery sound. Some people think that's the heartbeat, but that sound, that is not the heartbeat. It's very loud in there. When I laugh, it makes weird sounds. I heard that it's as loud as a vacuum cleaner to a baby in there. So I guess whenever babies hear constant, like louder sounds, I guess sometimes they can sleep when they're newborns because it reminds them of the womb. Now that is the baby's heartbeat. Now keep in mind that when you're doing this, you can also hear your own heartbeat. It is so weird, but yes, sometimes I pick up my own heartbeat in my stomach. And you know, it sounds similar to the baby's heartbeat, but obviously the baby's heartbeat is faster than your own. And, always check with your doctor to see what the average fetal heartbeat is, because I believe depending on how many weeks pregnant you are, the average heartbeat is different. So like I said, this screen is nice to have, but it's not always accurate. So what I'll do is I'll get, a stopwatch, and for 15 seconds I'll count the beats, and then I'll just times it by 4. So, and I hope you can see that I'm right here. That's where the baby is. As you can tell, here's my belly button, so it's very, very low. And I guess in your second trimester, your uterus moves up, so I'm assuming the baby will move up soon. She or he is just still very low right now, but yeah, just, I use aloe vera gel, and I love this machine. I love it. My doctor was so surprised that I could hear the baby's heartbeat at 10 weeks. I think he thought I was lying. And I was like, nope, I hear it, and I told him right where I hear it, and he was really surprised. So let me see if I can find the baby's heartbeat one more time here. And it's amazing, and I don't know if it's mother's instinct or not, because this is my first baby, but a lot of times I'll just have this and I'll put it right where I just think, because of course I don't feel the baby move yet, and I'll just put it right where I think the baby is, and I'll pick it up right away. And then there are the occasional times that it takes a while. And also another disclaimer on this is if you have anxiety, some people don't recommend to get this, because and I do have anxiety, but if you don't find the baby's heartbeat, a lot of times people get very, very scared, and it will be needless, because it's just that this machine isn't picking up. It's not that something's wrong. So, if you have any questions, always ask your doctor. But I feel as though this machine gives me a lot of reassurance when I can hear the baby's heartbeat, because I don't feel the baby move yet. So let me see. Oh, look. I don't know if you just heard that sound right there. If you just heard that sound, it was like I don't know how to describe it, but that's the baby moving, that sound. Now, whenever you move this, it makes sounds. But if you're not moving this, and you're not talking, and you hear that sound, that's the baby moving. Also, another tip is whenever you're doing this, you're supposed to move it very slowly, because you got to get it in just that right spot to hear the heartbeat. And a lot of times when you get it to where you can hear the baby's heartbeat, but it's faint, instead of actually moving the probe, you move it, but you almost just angle it like this, and you go around in circles, or side to side, And a lot of times when I pick up the baby's heartbeat, but it's faint, I'll do that, and then I can hear it a lot better. So, do it really, really slow. Oh, now he or she just moved. Sometimes I feel like he or she can feel it, and when I put it there, because it didn't happen at first, but more recently it starts happening when I put it there, I'll pick up the heartbeat real quick, and then he or she will move a little bit, and then I'll have to find it again. But for me, and every woman's different, but my belly button, I know the camera angle's not that good, but here's my belly button. And I usually just go straight down, and my baby is usually sitting to the left, just a hair. But like I said, recently I have found the baby over to the right. But at first it was just straight down and a little to the left. But every woman's different. That's just me, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.